my group and I will be presenting on Computer Misuse and CyberSecurity Act. My name is Fatin Atika, and my group members are Chua Yingping, Miharun Nisha, and Wan Gan Yi. Enhanced cybersecurity measures and requirements. Under the CMCA, Singapore Minister of Home Affairs Minister is empowered to issue a certificate to authorize or direct any person or organisation to take such measures or complying with such requirement as may be necessary to prevent, detect, or counter any threat to a computer, computer service or class of computers or computer services. In the case where the minister is satisfied where it's necessary for the purposes of preventing, detecting, or countering any threat to the national security, essential services, or defense of Singapore or foreign relations of Singapore. The minister now has the power to not only authorize but also direct any person or organisation specified in the certificate, specified persons to take certain measures or to comply with certain requirements, including requiring the specified person to assess both a computer reasonably suspected of being used in connection with an offence and decryption information for the purposes of investigating an offence. 2. Direct another person to disclose any information that is necessary to identify, detect, or counter a cyber threat, including details of the design, configuration, operations, and security of any computer or computer service.
To enhance cybersecurity measures and requirements, it provides the minister and authorized public officer any information, including real-time information, obtained from their computer that is necessary to identify, detect, or counter any threat, and also report cybersecurity breaches or attempted breaches to the minister or authorized public officer.
So under enhanced cybersecurity measures and requirements, the role of the minister will include seeking information that is of technical nature, such as fire rules, network design and architecture, and software algorithms in order to detect an attempted or ongoing cyber attack, address system vulnerabilities, and to prevent threats. Next, we will go on to talk about the next one, which is criminalize non-compliance and obstructions. Firstly, there will be an imprisonment of up to 10 years or the fine of up to 50,000, or if both a specific person fails to take any measure or comply with minister's requirement. Secondly, there is the same penalty for obstructing a non-specific person from complying with the minister's directions or for non-compliance with any directions given by a specific person without reasonable excuse.
They also introduce safeguards for protection of information. These safeguards restrict the use and disclosure of information obtained under the minister's certificate. Specifically, such information can be used or disclosed only to prevent, detect, or counter a cyber threat, notify the law enforcement authority of the commission of an offence under the CMCA or any other written law, or comply with a requirement of a court, the CMCA, or any other written law. In all other cases, the written permission of the party from whom the information was obtained will be required before the information can be used or disclosed. Any person convicted for contravening these safeguards will be liable for a fine of up to 10,000 or imprisonment of up to 12 months or both.
Expanded the scope of the essential service. The scope of the CMCA expanded. More industrial are involved. Usually it only includes land transport, infrastructures, aviation, shipping, and healthy service. Now, communications infrastructure, banking and finance, public utilities, public transportation, emergency service such as police, civil defense, or health service are included. The industry involved in the CMCAs will be under monitor of the government better. For example, the ministers can issue the telecommunication service provide to check the weakness of their computer network design and detect any attempt to attack to their computers and payment systems. Then we come to the final slides. Here is the reference of our project. That is end of the project. Thanks you all.